I'm going to tell you something about me. I was married to a citizen and I hold a 10-year green card. We are going through a divorce and she's putting some things in a divorce agreement that are contrary to the former I-864 agreement. Like she says, every party will be responsible for their own self. There wouldn't be any alimony. Each party shall maintain its own standard of living
Okay.
without any contribution or help from the other party.
I get it. If you choose, you can take a copy of the I-864 that she signed on your behalf and enforce it in a divorce case, if that's what you choose. Now, you have a pending 10-year card, or you have the 10-year card?
I have a 10-year card.
Okay. I mean, if you choose to, that's up to you, whether you want to enforce that affidavit of support. That document that she signed is enforceable in a divorce. But you would need to hire a local lawyer to do that, and probably. My guess is, she only has to support you 125% above the poverty level, and that lawyer is going to cost money as well. So I don't know if you'll break even or not. But the answer is yes, you can enforce the affidavit of support in a divorce.
So I'll have to find out an immigration lawyer to enforce that?
No, not an immigration lawyer, a divorce lawyer. This is a divorce proceeding. Has nothing to do with immigration, but she signed an enforceable contract.
All right.
So that enforceable contract is a valid contract with immigration. It's also a valid contract in a divorce if you choose to enforce it.
All right. So, for example, if I go to a trial over divorce is going to a trial, and if I go in front of a judge and say, like, she has filed an agreement with the government, and
you submit a copy of it, and I want to have it enforced in my divorce, absolutely.
So in a trial, it
wouldn't even be a trial because it's facts. Facts are that she has to do it, support you 125% above the poverty level.
No, my question is, yes,
I'm not a divorce attorney, so I've just told you everything that you need to know from an immigration standpoint. That contract is enforceable in a divorce proceeding. What you do in a local divorce proceeding in Atlantic City, that's beyond my expertise.
I got it. So I can present it in front of a judge saying that she has an agreement?
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
All right. And second question, my wife got a false restraining order against me by saying I was abusive. So my question is that, is there anything that could affect me during my citizenship, or like
only if she had an order of protection against you?
Say it again, please.
If she had made an order of protection against you, that was an enforceable order of protection, that could affect your citizenship because that would show bad moral character. So I just told you the answer. Listen to the words that come out. Listen to the words that come out of my mouth. I don't want to repeat myself 10 times. Listen to the words that come out of my mouth. She can make all the accusations she wants against you, only if there is an order of protection, an enforceable order of protection, that a judge said she deserves protection against you. That can be used against you in your citizenship to show bad moral character.
All right. And second thing, for example,
I just answered. This is now the third thing.
Yes, sir. My third question is...
Last question. Make it a good one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If I travel back to my country, would that be okay? For example, if I come back...
Absolutely, you can travel because there's no crimes against you.
I got it. I was just concerned, like, would I be detained or something like that? Would I be returned back?
Nope, not unless you committed a crime.
And if I'm a green card holder, like if I move, if I move a place, like, do I have to update my address every time?
Yes,
or like
you should. The law requires the law requires you to do it, but if you don't do it, there's really no penalty. But the law requires you to do it.
USCIS website.
Yeah, do it on the USCIS website.
All right. Thank you so much for your time.
All right. Good luck.